to my channel, Nursing with Key. Today's video is going to be another vlog video. If you guys haven't seen my last vlog video, a nurse's day off, make sure you go check that out. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you guys can go check it out now and come back to this one if you want, or finish this one, and the link to that one will be in the end card, up to you. But today's video is going to be just another off day, another productive day. In the last video I mentioned that I wanted to build my vision board, but I didn't get to do it because the video was getting a bit lengthy, and I didn't get the stuff to do it because the library was closed, so I wasn't able to print the stuff that I need. But I'm going to be doing that today, building the perfect vision board. And honestly, vision boards really do work. I'm going to show you guys the vision board that I built for 2019, which I really liked, and I accomplished a lot of the things on here. So this was my vision board for last year. I accomplished a lot of the stuff on here. Traveling was a huge thing for me. I went to Iceland, Germany, Michigan, and Atlanta, so I did my traveling. There are some other secret things that I accomplished. I don't want to share those with you just yet. I will share them with you guys soon, but it's time for 2019 to come off the wall. As much as I love this vision board, it has no business on my wall anymore because we are in a whole new year. So I'm gonna go get the stuff that I need. I'm gonna speak to you guys a bit in the car about how to build the perfect vision board, you know, how to get inspiration, how to get your images and all of that. I'm gonna speak to you guys when I'm on my way to the mall. But that is pretty much the mission for today. So I just got to the mall. I'm about to head over to the dollar store, get the stuff that I need to make my vision board, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got once I get home. So I got all the things that I needed from the dollar store. I'm just stopping at the pharmacy just to get a couple things that I need. And then once we get home, I'm gonna just drop off my stuff, and then I'm gonna head to the library so that we can print the pages for the vision board. So I'm at the library. I'm gonna go in there, log into a computer, and just print out some pages. I'm gonna speak to you guys a bit later on like how to find inspiration and like how to find ideas of things to print so that you can make your vision board look as perfect and as pretty as possible. All right, so in order to get your pictures the size you want and also save some money and some paper, I just opened up a page on Word. I downloaded the pictures and saved them to the desktop, and I just inserted the picture onto one page on Word. So you guys can see I have multiple pictures here on one page, so that saves me a lot of money, and later on I can just cut them up and I can also size them the exact way I want them sized. All right, so I'm in my little sister's room right now because the lighting in her room is much better than the lighting in my room. But I have all the things that I need to make my vision board. So I'm just gonna show you guys some of the stuff. My vision board a little bit prettier. I got some glitter. I didn't want to make it too much, but just some stuff to, you know, add a little bling, just make it look a little bit prettier. So I have this like multicolored, like rainbow colored type of stickers, and then they're rhinestone, and then I have some blue and silver ones. I was gonna get a pack of pink and silver, but then I thought it would be too much, and there's already pink in this one, so I'm just gonna stick to those. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna decorate it yet. We're gonna see once I'm done building, or once I'm done making it. Right now I have all the pictures that I wanted for my vision board. I'm gonna show you guys some of them. I'll probably show you them after, but you see, debt free, since that's one of my goals. I got a picture of Italy here. Picture of Greece. And guys, I'm going to show you guys a little trick because I realized that I was printing this completely wrong. This is the size that I wanted, but I completely like forgot how I did it the last time. So the last time when I printed my pictures, I got them printed like this, all on one page. And really all I did was I went on Word, I opened up Word, I inserted the pictures, sized them, and put them all on one page. So I wasted a bunch of money printing these individual papers, and I felt like it didn't make sense at first, and I couldn't really figure out what it was that I was doing wrong until it clicked in my head that the last time I made my vision board, I did the pictures like this. So I'm going to show you guys. I think I recorded a clip of how I did this, but like I said, I just used Word, saved all the pictures to desktop, and then I just added all these pictures onto one page. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut these pictures up, and then we're going to actually start building the or making the vision board. So when building a vision board, because I've had a couple people come to my house and see my vision board, and they wanted to also make one, but they didn't know exactly like how to get the pictures or what exactly to print, how to find the pictures. And honestly, there's nothing to it. Literally, all you have to do is think about what it is that you want for the year and print pictures of it. So if you want a new house, print a picture of a house that looks like the type of house that you would want to get and print it. If you want a new car, print a picture of the type of car that you want and print it. All you have to do is just print whatever it is that you want. And if you don't want a lot of things, but you want your vision board to be full, first of all, it doesn't even have to be a big vision board. It can be a small one. So if there's not really much things that you want, and you feel like the pictures, or you printed all the pictures you want, but they won't fill up your vision board and make it look really nice and full, then you can literally just print some motivational quotes. I have a bunch of I am affirmations. You guys see here, I am healthy and filled with energy. You know, I just have a bunch of affirmations to put just to fill it up. And I actually also look at these affirmations in the morning when I wake up. I try to take in my vision board. I stand in front of it. I look at it, look at everything that I put on it, just to like reset my mind and, you know, fill my mind with all the things, with all the goals that I want to achieve that year. It's really good because they're like in pictures, so you're actually seeing them. And I say my affirmations out loud. And yeah, that's another a little trick for you guys. All right, guys, so whenever I'm making a vision board, I always start off by putting the year in the middle, and I use like really bold colors. I think last year I used orange. This year I'm using gold because this is going to be my golden year. And then I have everything kind of separated into categories. So I guess like depending on what your goals would be, you would separate your goals into categories. But for me, like traveling is a huge thing. So I have a bunch of pictures of places that I want to go to. I got Italy, I got Japan here. I have a little picture of a plane. I have a picture of a passport. So these are all things that are related to traveling, and down here is going to be my little travel section. And then I have like my financial freedom, my you know, my money section. So I have little things like living the debt-free life, debt-free, financial freedom. I have a picture of some money. We got pounds, we got USD, and we got Canadian dollars too. So this is going to be my money section. Then I have my career goals section. So I have the university that I want to go to with the program that I want to get into, which is Bachelor of Science of Nursing. So I'd have my career section. I also have the Navy. So I have a frigate ship. I have an operations room, and I have the logo of the Royal Canadian Navy. So this would all go into my career section, as well as 50,000 subscribers on YouTube, which, guys, if you're willing to help your girl, support your girl, and help her get to her goal, please click on that subscribe button down below to help me get to my 50,000 subscriber goal. But I think you can go really far with YouTube, and so I'm also going to include this into my career section. Then I have my family section where I'm going to put some family pictures, and you guys get the point. So basically, before gluing any of this on, I'm just going to play around and try to design it without any glue on it, because if you do get glue on it, you stick it onto the paper and you try to peel it off because you don't like how it looks after, I guarantee you the paper is going to rip and your vision board is not going to look as nice. So definitely play around with it while there's no glue on it, so that you can mix and match things, or make any changes if you don't like how something looks in the end. And then once you've got everything figured out and you like how it looks, then you can go ahead and add your glue. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Now, I know I just said that I don't usually stick anything on until I know exactly where I want everything placed, but I always put the year right in the center of my vision board and then work around that. Alright guys, so I have everything set up. Nothing is glued on yet. And it's a good thing that I didn't glue anything on, because I just realized that I thought I had printed 2 pictures of me and my boyfriend, but I didn't, which means I'm gonna have to get that done. So I'm leaving this bottom section free so that I can add pictures of me and him. But yeah, basically it's the same thing I told you guys. I'm gonna show you guys like a better close-up view afterwards, but I'm just gonna go ahead and stick all of this on, and then I'm gonna show you guys the end result. All right, and my vision board is pretty much done. The only thing I have to add, like I said, right in this section is my boyfriend. Don't worry, I put the ring there. Doesn't mean I'm trying to get married in 2020. I mean, yeah, no. I wouldn't mind a ring, wink wink, but no, that's not what it is. I just put it because it looked nice. But you guys can see right here I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list. And I have Italy, I got Thailand, I got Greece, and I got Japan. I have my family here. I have some affirmations and just some positive stuff. I have I am free. I have, sorry, this is glue on my hand, by the way, guys. I have positive affirmations for kids and young adults. There is no one better than myself. I am enough. I get better every single day. This is my like financial area. So I got living the debt-free life. I got some money here, debt-free. I got a car key to this car, which I really like and I really want. I'm working on it, but I got some stuff to take care of before that. Here I have Google AdSense, the goal of how much I want to be making monthly, my career goals, and just some more positive affirmations. I am a money magnet, financial freedom, next exit. Every day I'm attracting more and more money, and all of that. So this is the final look, and I'm absolutely loving it. I feel like I went a little bit crazy with the bedazzling, but I love it anyway. All right, guys, so that is it for my vision board. I'm super in love with it. I absolutely love it, and I hope you like it too. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss another video from me again. And I really hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.